Christmas, we are staying in a cabin. Hi. It's my mom. Hi. Subong Eve.
That's our lechon. Hi, Kuya. And then we're making charcuterie. Cheese?
I'm gonna tour you later, but right now we're gonna make. They're so noisy. They're so noisy. We're just gonna make charcuterie board.
Christmas Day this year, I've got a plan, it's gonna be so lovely. On Christmas Day, my dear, I'm gonna get down on one knee. On Christmas Day.
Okay, I'll take you to the room tour while we're waiting for everybody. So this is the entrance.
On Christmas Day, my dear.
This office right here.
On Christmas Day this year. 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 I'm gonna ask my love to marry me on Christmas Day this year. All I want is for my love to say yes to me on Christmas Day, my dear. Oh my love, I can't hardly wait for Christmas Day this year. Our together forever begins on Christmas Day, my dear. I'm gonna love you on Christmas Day, forever and a day, my dear. On Christmas Day this year, on Christmas Day this year, on Christmas Day this year, on Christmas Day this year.
Doing funny gifts. It's Maxine's turn to give her gift to her bunot. Okay.
It's a boy?
It is a boy.
Oh, I know it. 3.
Okay.
What's the funny gift?
What's the funny gift?
Wow! What is this?
What's that?
What's that?
Eye holder. A cup holder for your lucky drink.
Wow!
That's so nice.
Feeling ko.
Okay,
Mine is,
describe 3 clues.
She's a girl.
Oh my gosh! Wow!
Korean ka. Ikaw,
Ay,
Korean.
kuring galing na. Sabi ko, layon.
She like kumos-kumos.
Maxine! Okay, what? Okay, open!
What about your favorite store? Masarap agad.
Basta pa rin.
Sa kono naman na t-shirt, ha? Ang nakasulat number 1 fan. Number 1 fan sa Gagga.
Hit na to.
May matatawag.
Ang
Show
likod
us
pa
the
rin.
shirt. Yung cast number 1 fan.
My concern!
My girl, she told me she's now giggling. Before she forgot everything, so I bought this one. Different flavors.
The most funniest. Kaya na pag-alis.
Sa flavor.
Vamos Ano flavor? Ano flavor?
Tutti frutti, strawberry, and banana. Tapos may pa lubricated.
Good morning! So it's day 2 here at the ranch.
Ay, against the light mo dapat.
Hi Maxine! Good morning!
Good morning.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Everybody's here in the kitchen! Hi everyone!
Merry
Christmas! Merry Christmas! Hi Maggie! Merry Christmas! First Christmas! First Christmas! Hi Lola A! Good morning!
Good morning.
And my mom is cooking for breakfast. Wow!
We're having appetizer for now.
Hello! So we're gonna explore the area. Hi, where are we going?
Uwi namin. Kadto ka mo di as in. Kadto ka mo di as in. And look there. Look there. Look there. Look there.
Hi.
And learning to read the horse's body language. I'm now contracted to 13 schools in Cochrane. Yes, I work with the kids that are bullied, anxious, depressed on the spectrum, in trouble. They send them-
hard work.
Hard, yes.
Yeah.
Hard work, yes. They come here, grade 7.
Yeah.
They look like they're 30 years old. You know, poor kids, the lost, the forgotten. Yeah. And so with your stay here, this helps me then support the community. Yes, so Eric can get these at Mastermind Tours. They're like $10.
Oh.
You don't have energy, ma'am.
This is fun with our kids.
There we go.
Oh.
Yes, really cool. Close the circuit.
Energy travels.
Yes, all right.
Just relax. Put your hands forward.
So he's going to take his time because there's a bunch.
It's like, I really don't want to do it.
He wants to have an escape plan. Yeah.
Hi.
Here you go.
Maxine.
Atta girl. Atta girl. He wasn't you her to start with. There you go, kiddo. Very nice. Oh, he's getting extra with you.
He likes you.
I'll be back this way.
I like you too.
Very
How
nice.
are you? Nice to meet you.
Yes, thank you. Nice.
Yeah, beautiful. Handsome.
You're in the hallway, you know?
Yeah, fist bump.
Yes, fist pump. And we like to pat them, but they really don't like to be petted. You know? If you walk down the hallway, excellent. Thank you for walking in. Very nice. Very nice. If you went down the hallway and said hi to your coworker and then did this, you know, your coworker would be on human resources to, you know, to see what was going on. So, I like your son. He's coming over. He likes this. He likes all the brushes. He wants to see what's going on. And so, when you're brushing a horse, and we'll start with this side, and then we'll brush his other side. You can show him the brush. Yeah.
Can I brush your hair?
Brush all the.
And then you start here.
Can you brush your hair?
And horses build relationships with other horses. You'll see them scratching out in the field.
Yeah.
This is where they start. And so if you want to start here and then just brush the same direction as his hair, we'll get you started there.
Can you reach Maxine?
Hello.
So now he's going to look at you. He wants a horse handshake again.
Handshake.
Yeah, he's just not sure. You can see him checking in.
Yeah.
Okay. And then touch his shoulder.
I like your hair. Can I brush you?
Very nice. Atta girl. Atta girl.
On the shoulder.
Yes, and very nice.
You tell him he's gorgeous. He likes to hear that.
Oh, he brought his head around.
Oh, you're handsome. Yes, you are. Can I also brush?
Yes, please do.
You're
With the cold weather, they tend to be a bit more nervous because of it.
I like your skin. Hindi ka na sa tilon kasi paon ka na karon.
And so we're all on the same side, which keeps us safe because I've controlled his head, which means his butt will go towards the door.
Who wants to go next?
Lola, you go Lola.
And then we'll do Clarence, and then we'll do Haas, or however you guys feel. Oh, very nice. Great introduction. I know we do this like it's natural human thing. But they just come in for a fist
Her
bump.
hair's so nice. His hair, I mean.
You can see his
soft,
eye
right?
is still a little bit worried, but it's starting to soften.
Yeah. What's your shampoo?
Oh, yes, apple.
Oh,
Just stay there. Don't go in the back.
so
Okay?
soft.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to try?
Oh, Christmas, it's what I'm starting to hear. The whispers reaching my ears of warm intentions. Oh, Christmas, we'll burn the coziest fire while wrapping love that's disguised as pretty presents. Everyone I know deserves a little bit of love. Every face I've seen through the year. Now's the time to see the good and try to rise above petty things that compromise our cheer. Oh, Christmas, the ground is fashionably green, but I imagine a scene with snowy sleigh rides. Oh, Christmas, let's take our
Merry Christmas. No, I think we're done. We are just getting ready for dinner, Christmas dinner. My mom cooked everything for us.
a bit of love. Every face I've seen through the years. Now's the time to see the good and try to.
Our theme for tonight is cowboy. And I'm the only one with a hat.
The ground is fashionably green, but I imagine a scene with snowy sleigh rides. Oh, Christmas, let's take our kindness inside and test it out for a ride and love each other. Everyone out there deserves a little bit of love, even when it's not always clear. Now's the time to see the good and try to rise above petty things that compromise our cheer. Oh, Christmas, we'll take that plain old green tree, color it beautifully.
birthday, boss baby.
Thank you.
Boss baby.
Sige, ano, tawag ni
Be ako, be.
Thank you. Blog na sa akong pang mataya pero hindi na tunod na.
Uy, hatag ng cake sa asawa mo. Present the cake to your husband.
Okay.
The cake for the husband.
With the berries.
Oh, look at. I always
look,
remember you. Every time I have my coffee.
Ay, tabayo
Eh?
nila.
Every day. I will remember you.
Thank you.
Blow!
Thank you.
Pero magasiga, kagasampok ang kilayaw.
Saan na nga bata ka, ma?
Oh, Christmas, it's what I'm starting to hear. The whispers reaching my ears of warm intentions. Oh, Christmas, we'll burn the coziest fire while wrapping love that's disguised as pretty presents. Everyone I know deserves a little bit of love. Every face I've seen through the years.
Okay, so we're heading home now.
See the good and try to rise above petty things that compromise our cheer. Oh, Christmas, the ground is fashionably green, but I imagine a scene with snowy sleigh rides. Oh, Christmas, let's take our kindness inside and test it out for a ride and love each other. Everyone out there deserves a little bit of love, even when it's not always clear. Now's the time to see the good and try to rise above petty things that compromise our cheer. Oh, Christmas, we'll take that plain old green tree, color it beautifully like a makeover. Oh, Christmas, the word that's
So it was a very fun Christmas for all of us. We're just